done with my warm-up. If you don't stay around a track or stadium like me, thinking of doing intervals, see around your area where is it suitable to do it. For me, the nearest area to do a run is a park connector. Having come across this area, I realized roughly one round is about 500 meters. Today I'm looking to do 10 sets of 400 meter with 70 seconds rest in between. Probably just film the first set, as I don't think I can focus filming and running at the intensity for the other sets. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Dying. 6 sets done. 4 more to go. Last set was 145. I think doing track workout with friends or like-minded people is better. Doing alone is mentally is quite tough. Or maybe I'm just weak. I'll try to film and let you see how I'm dying. I think I will take extra 20-second rest for the last 2 sets. I don't know how people film and run like an interval session. It's damn hard, man. Or maybe I'm just not good at it. Like, how to focus, trying not to die, and holding the camera properly. It's tough, man. Workout done. Actually, I prefer to do like a hard session in the morning after eating, drinking my coffee, taking a shade, rest a while, see how I feel. Because the energy level at the start of the day is high. You know, like if you do it at the end of the day, you don't know what will affect your day. Like work, had a bad day at work, didn't eat well, and stress and stuff like that. And then at the end of the day, your energy level is low. And then if you want to have a good workout, it's tricky unless you have, I guess unless you set your mind to it, you have a nice and fun, energetic group that you run with, then yeah, it lifts up the spirit a bit. For this morning, I just planned to do a workout, but only after I wake up, have my breakfast, then I sit a while to really let myself, like let the body wake up. Instead of just like rushing to run after I wake up. I think I've done that a few times, doesn't work for me. Do my warm-up just to test how the legs and the body feel. If I feel okay, I'll proceed with the workout. Yeah, during the workout, listen to your body. That's what I do. Like, nobody knows you better than yourself. At any point, like just now after the 8 set, I actually super check. Then I tell myself I'll rest extra 20 seconds before I do the 9 and the 10 set. I didn't want to stop at 8 set, wanted to finish, so I took an extra break to complete it. And I think that's fine. I'm not like a elite, super competitive runner and stuff. I do it according to how I feel. Yes, it's a hard workout, it's challenging, but I try to be flexible about it, and in the end I still completed. I think my fastest round is about 140 and the slowest is about 148, and it's definitely not easy filming and doing an interval. If like me, you don't have access to a stadium or track nearby, you can try something like this out. See you guys for the next video. Happy running!